Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the seventh part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So now we will move on to the content of the videos. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. So now guys, move on to the content of these videos. So guys, our first word is dormant, and that is adjective, and the meaning of this word is currently inactive but going to be active on future. That means inactive but capable of becoming active in future. So the synonyms are aberrant, inactive, hibernating, and the example is her feeling of affection are dormant but easily awaken. That means her feeling of affection are inactive now, but it will easily get active in future. So move on to the sentences. Before that, see the picture that I share of a dormant volcano. That means currently it is inactive, but it is going to be active soon in future. So our first sentence is due to the COVID-19, newly expanding economic sectors like tourism and entertainment went dormant. That means because of this coronavirus, the economic sector like tourism and entertainment are inactive nowadays, but it is going to be active in the future soon. So now move on to the second sentence, that is I am not going to charge them extra if their sets are dormant. That means I am not going to charge any amount if their sets are inactive now. So move on to the third sentence. For years, scientists assume that marine life so far above the Arctic Circle was dormant during the long winter. That means that for a long time, scientists assume that the marine life on the Arctic Circle are inactive for the winters only, but it is active on other season. So now move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. I give the 10-second pause for this content. You can read the word or pause the video and read this word and then continue the content for the next word. So now move on to the second word. So our second word is conciliatory. That is an adjective, and the meaning of this word is making or willing to make compromise. That means you come into the agreement for problems that occur in the past. That means you are able to compromise for the any task or any events. So the synonyms are flexible, yielding, placate. These all three synonyms mean same. So move on to the antonyms. Antonyms are antagonistic, alienating, sturdy, and uncompromising. These are the antonyms for the conciliatory. An example is, don't think you are going to appease me with your conciliatory attitude. That means don't think that you are going to make me at peace or calm with your compromising attitude. See the picture how Trump and Kim Jong come into the conciliatory or compromising. Move on to the sentences. The first sentence is Mr. Trump took a conciliatory approach through the middle of March and praising the job Mr. Xi was doing. That means the Mr. Trump come into the compromising approach at the middle of March, and he is praising the job of Mr. Xi. So move on to the second sentence. The Robert Lighthizer, the United States top trade official, was conciliatory Thursday. That means the Robert, who is a top trade official of US, was in a compromising mood on Thursday. So move on to the third sentence. The meeting was followed by a conciliatory press conference in the Rose Garden. That means the meeting was come into the agreement in the compromising while on the conference in the rose garden. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the third word. So our next word is the foment, and that is a verb, and the meaning of this word is to create a trouble or violence or make it worse. That means someone who is creating a trouble, violence, or making a situation more bad. So synonyms are stir up, agitate, instigate. These all means the same. And move on to the example. His legs should be fomented. That means his legs should be in a worse condition. So see here picture how people's creating a violence to their surrounding. Move on to the sentences. The first sentence is Chinese official publicly accused the US of trying to foment unrest in their country. That means Chinese officially publicly accuse, blame that the US is trying to create a violence in their country. So move on to the second sentence. The ambassador Philip Goldberg accusing him fomenting civil unrest against his administration. That means the ambassador Philip Goldberg accusing means blaming him for creating a violence or trouble in the civil unrest against his administration. So move on to the third sentence. The China accuses the US and other foreign power of fomenting and encouraging the protest. That means China blaming the US and other foreign countries that they are creating a violence and encouraging the protest. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So move on to our next word. So next word is degrade, and that is a verb. The meaning of this word is to treat someone without respect or to make the quality of something worse. That means someone misbehaving with others or decreasing the quality of something. So synonyms are disgrace, demote, downgrade, and the antonyms are upgrade, improve. So move on to the example. It's not like I considered it degrading work. It means it's not like that I am considering it as a degrading work or a worst work. So see here the photo how a boy is treating the another boy without any respect. He's telling that he is the fool who stammers. So now move on to the sentences. First sentence is other scientists commenting on these studies said virus on this surface might degrade more quickly. That means the scientists saying that the virus on these surfaces going to be worst more quickly or decrease very quickly. So move on to the second sentence. More than a third of land globally is degraded in some way, according to the United Nations. That means according to the United Nations report, the more than the third of land is globally becoming a worst in some way. So move on to the third sentence. The thin atmosphere in space degrades the panel over time and limiting the vehicle's lifetime in orbit. That means the thin atmosphere which is in space degrades the panel, means downgrade the panel over time and also limiting the vehicle's lifetime in orbit. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So move on to our next word. So our last word is very, and that is an adjective. The meaning of this word is feeling or showing caution about possible danger or problem. That means you become careful for the upcoming dangers or problems. So the synonyms are cautious, careful, on guard. So the antonyms are unwary. As wary, there is the antonyms is unwary, gullible, unguarded. And the example is they were wary in their movements. That means they were caution in their movements. So see the picture how a man is cautioned for his bag. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is major companies are often wary of conflict, especially in a polarized time. And that means the major companies are cautioned for the war. Conflict means war, especially in the polarized time. So move on to the second sentence. Professional cleaner are wary of high-tech method. That means the professional cleaner are careful of high-tech methods, high technology method. So move on to the third sentence. With the number of COVID-19 cases hitting new high in the state, many of them said they were wary of going back. That means because of this coronavirus, COVID-19 cases come at the top in the state. Many of them saying that they are careful to going back. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this was for only today. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and like our videos and share this video to the relevant content in your group, family and your friends. So till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.